Myself Rahul from Steve Manakala Nagar Engineering College. So I'm here to give the POC demo of our project. This is the IoT based controlling system of our project. Here we use this dashboard to control the navigation of our project with the AI enhancement technologies, with the image processing technique and the data processing technologies. The system using a IoT based web page with the AI integration and the image processing technique. Here we use the screw case method for vertical navigation system to tighten the bolt. A DC gear motor is used to tighten and loose the bolt in the anchor cage in our system. A ESP32 cam development board is used to get the raw footage for the computer vision to detect the bolt and monitor the bolt. When the bolt was tightened successfully, then the system will get back to the initial position autonomously. This is the Python code of our project to predict the bolt is whether tighten or loose. This is the sample output of our prediction system. This works on the predefined datasets which have given previously and trained the algorithm with the datasets we have taken through the images. So the image will be analyzed with the previous datasets and give the output whether the bolt is tighten or loose. For the secondary analysis, here we use the vibration sensor to identify whether the bolt is tighten or looser. And we use the ultrasonic sensor to find the distance between the screwing mechanism and the anchor cage bolt. Thank you.